Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Jaggett, and this has been a requested mominar for a while now. How to fold your clothes. First, I want to tell you that I am not a professional clothes folder. I don't have any creative or unique ways to fold clothes. But I'm a big proponent of putting your clothes away in an organized fashion and doing it in a way that your clothes are not just shoved into a drawer to become a wrinkled mess later on. So I'm going to show you how to select a designated place for your clothes, how to create that space if you don't have it, and how to fold your clothes neatly and quickly without much fuss. This is just basic step 1 clothes folding. Nothing fancy, just neat and organized. Step 1 is intend to be intentional. Be open to being somebody who puts their clothes away. Here's how you do t-shirts. You open it up and smooth it out as best you can. Fold it in half. Make sure the sleeves match up and they're smooth. Fold the sleeves over so that it's in line with the rest of the shirt. Then you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. Alternatively, you can do this technique. Start with the shirt front side down. Make sure everything is smooth. And then you're going to fold the sleeves over like this, so that the shoulder is one nice line, and then you can fold it in thirds and you end up with that. For a polo shirt, make sure all the buttons are buttoned up and the collar is smoothed out, no buckles in through the lapel. Now you could fold this in half just like before if you want. Fold your sleeves in and then fold it up and then fold it again. That is one possibility, perfectly okay. But on this one, what I like to do is turn it upside down, fold it in thirds, make sure the sleeves are smooth, and then fold it up and then fold it up again. Jeans. I like to make sure that it's buttoned and zippered. And the key to this one is you want to fold it backwards. Make sure it lines up in the middle. You've got the pockets smooth through here, and then all you do is you fold it up and you can fold it up again. Shorts are easy. Fold them backwards just like you did the jeans because they lay flatter and smoother, and then just fold them in half again. Sweaters are almost never hung up, so you need to fold these, and you're going to fold it the same way. Let's do it again. Fold it in half, line up the sleeves, fold the sleeves over, and then fold it in thirds, and then in thirds again. And you have a neatly folded sweater. Other option, fold it in thirds the long way, line up the sleeves, fold it over again. Perfectly folded sweater. Do you really need to fold socks? The only reason I do is to keep them together. So, nothing fancy, and I know there's better ways to do this. I just match up the sock, and then I just tuck one into the neck of the other sock. You can leave it like this, or you can fold it all the way in like that. As for these little socks, again, just line them up, fold one inside the other. You may have a dresser to store your clothes, but does yours look like this? You can get things called a drawer separator, like this. This one has a little lock, and it adjusts based on the size that you need. Once you get it into place, you just lock it down. Start with an empty drawer. You can use either the separators or little baskets. Here is a little basket that I got at the dollar store, and I make that the sock drawer. You take one of your separators, make a section, and you can t-shirts and even pants. Do that with all your drawers and you will be neat and organized for life. Personally, instead of a dresser, I use baskets. See how everything fits right inside my closet. If you have too many clothes for your dresser or wherever you're storing them, then consider getting rid of some or storing things seasonally like a capsule wardrobe. What's a capsule wardrobe? It's a method of having your closet clear and neat by selecting pieces of clothing per season. You're going to pack away clothes for other seasons in a box and keep them in a different location other than your closet. Check out my podcast on Capsule Wardrobes, which will be available for download on September 28th, 2021. Click that little icon in the upper right corner of my channel artwork and you'll be directed to the How to Life podcast. I hope this Mominar helped you get started, or at least got you started thinking about folding your clothes and putting them away. Did you like it? Give it a like, share it, and subscribe so that you'll get more tutorials on how to do basic life skills. One more adulting problem solved. You got this. I'll see you in the next Mominar.